Hi, I'm Bill Burgess with the Oldfather Group at Compass Real Estate. Today I'd like to introduce you to our listing, 84 Lilac Way in the community of Willowwood. This home is in the 55 plus section of Willowwood. However, this home is not age restricted. You do get the benefits of being in a 55 plus community. There's clubhouses, there's a swimming pool, and there's snow removal as well as lawn care. But you do not have to be 55 plus to live here. Let's take a look inside. As you enter the home, you'll notice the hardwood floors in the front of the home. This home has a split bedroom floor plan with 2 bedrooms in the front, the master bedroom towards the rear. In the main living area of the home, it's an open floor concept. The living room is open to the kitchen as well as the dining area, and there's a sunroom. The master bedroom features a walk-in closet and a full bath. The kitchen features hardwood flooring, Corian countertops, tile backsplash, recessed lighting, and all appliances are included. Off the kitchen is the dining area and sunroom, also with hardwood flooring. Exiting the sunroom, you go out to the maintenance-free composite deck, which features a natural gas grill, and there is a quick connect for natural gas hookup. The sellers are including their grill with the home. This home is situated on a premium lot backing to open space with beautiful views. This home also includes a 2-car garage as well as a main floor laundry room, washer and dryer included. Thank you for joining me on this tour today. If you would like more information, please give me a call or an email. You can reach me at bill@theoldfathergroup.com.